1 million. That's how many humanoid robots will be deployed in homes and workplaces by the end of 2026. And most people have absolutely no idea it's already started. Companies like Tesla, Figure AI, and China's Unitree aren't waiting for permission. They are mass-producing humanoid robots right now. Tesla's Optimus is already inside their factories, folding clothes, sorting packages, and learning new tasks every single day through AI. Figure AI just signed a real deal with BMW to put robots on actual factory floors, and Unitree's G1. It costs just $16,000, cheaper than most cars sitting in your driveway right now. And here's what makes this different from every robot you've seen before. These machines don't just follow commands. They watch, they learn, they adapt. Every single day they get smarter, faster, and more human. 2026 isn't the future anymore. It's already here. So let me ask you this. Would you let a robot live in your home?